Chapter 5, Mishnah 10. There are four types of characters in human beings. One that says mine is mine and yours is yours. That is a commonplace type. I have my thing, you have your thing. And some say this is Sodom. It's not just normal. It's a Sodom. If you want to be separated, all each should stick into his own house. It's called a Sodomite style. Another character, mine is yours and yours is mine. This is unlearned person. He doesn't understand what mine is yours and yours is mine. You don't know who you don't know who the relationship is. You don't know who's the owner. You need to understand who the owner of each product. You understand what is yours, and therefore you can give it. But to mix ownership, that is wrong. Another character says mine is yours and yours is yours. That is a pious man, because not only that he understands that this person in front of him has an ownership of his and he shouldn't take it, he gives his part to the other people. And the one that says mine is mine and yours is mine was basically I own everything. Everything is in my possession. That is already a wicked person. And it's not just about saying this in public, mine is mine, but it's many, many nuances and things. Sometimes people take a pen without asking permission, or sometimes people think they have a right to come into other people's land or to speak to someone. And they feel that the right is theirs. Over here, we need to understand that everyone has his own territory. And not only that, you should be willing to give up your territory for the others, for the sake of others. Chazak u'baruch, and see you next time.